MPCC President Meghachandra stated that Reimposition of Armed Forces Special Powers Act Afspa in different areas under 6 different police stations of Imphal East, Imphal West, Bishnupur, Jiribam and Kangpokpi districts by double-engine BJP government in Manipur is a clear symptom of complete failure in handling the ongoing 18 months turmoil in the state. In a post on X, Meghachandra expressed concerns that by reimposing Afspa in the state, the people of Manipur genuinely fear and have strong apprehension that the draconian anti-people Afspa will be reimposed in all the remaining areas of Manipur. He further questioned if the double-engine governments of BJP planned to bring normalcy through imposition of Afspa in the entire Manipur. Meghachandra also called out Prime Minister Narendra Modi, who has not yet visited the violence-hit Manipur.